Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. So to find the value of x, we will solve this given equation. So before starting the question, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe first and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of other videos. Okay, now let's start our question. Here we have a question, square root of x minus 1 under cube root plus square root of x minus 4 under cube root, which is equal to 2 times square root of x minus 5 under cube root. And we have to find the value of x. So first of all, if we take this square root of x minus 1 under cube root is equal to a. So a is equal to cube root of square root of x minus 1. So from here, if we take cube on both sides, so it will become a cube is equal to square root of x minus 1, because cube and cube root will be cancelled out from here. Similarly, we will take square root of x minus 4 under cube root is equal to b. So b is equal to cube root of square root of x minus 4. So if we take cube on both sides, so it will become b cube is equal to square cube and cube root will be cancelled out. So from here it will become square root of x minus 4. If we sum up this a cube and b cube, so it will become a cube plus b cube is equal to square root of x minus 1 plus b cube is square root of x minus 4. So from here a cube plus b cube is equal to square root of x, and square root of x will become 2 times square root of x, and this minus 1 and minus 4 will become minus 5. But our given equation is square root of x minus 1 and whole cube root. This equation will become a plus b is equal to, here we have 2 square root of x minus 5, and here we have also 2 square root of x minus 5 under cube root. So it can be written as a cube plus b cube, because 2 times square root of x minus 5 is same as a cube plus b cube. Now to remove this cube root, we will take cube on both sides. So cube and cube root will be cancelled out from here, and here it is the form of a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab into a plus b, and it is equal to a cube plus b cube. So a cube and a cube will be cancelled out, and b cube and b cube will be cancelled out from here. So here we have 3ab into a plus b is equal to 0. So 3ab into a plus b is equal to 0. It's mean either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or a plus b is equal to 0. Here we have 3 cases, either a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 or a plus b is equal to 0. Here we have a cube is equal to square root of x minus 1. So if we take cube on both sides, so it will become a cube is equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the value of a cube here, which is square root of x minus 1, to find the value of x. So it will be square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we will take this negative 1 to the right hand side, so it will become square root of x is equal to 1. To remove this square root, we will apply square on both sides. So square and square root will be cancelled out, and from here the value of x is equal to 1. Similarly, when b is equal to 0, so here we have b cube is equal to square root of x minus 4. So b is equal to 0. It means b cube will also equal to 0. So the value of b cube is square root of x minus 4. Square root of x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here square root of x is equal to 4. We will take this negative 4 to the right hand side, so it will become positive. Now we'll take square on both sides to remove this radical sign. So square and square root will be cancelled out, and x is equal to 4 square is same as 16. Now here we have another case, which is a plus b is equal to 0. So from here we have a is equal to minus b. So if we apply cube on both sides, so it will become a cube is equal to minus b cube. So a cube is equal to square root of x minus 1 and b cube is equal to square root of x minus 4. So we will substitute the values here. Square root of x minus 1 is equal to minus into square root of x minus 4. So it will become square root of x minus 1 is equal to negative into positive will become negative square root of x. Negative into negative will become positive 4. Now we will take this square root of x to the left hand side, so it will become positive, and this negative 1 to the right hand side, so it will become positive. So square root of x plus square root of x will become 2 times square root of x, which is equal to this 4, and this plus 1 will be 5. So we will divide 2 on both sides. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and square root of x is equal to 5 divided by 2. Now to remove this radical sign, we will apply square on both sides. So from here, square and square root will be cancelled out, and the value of x is equal to 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So here we have another value of x, which is 25 divided by 4. Now we are having here 3 solutions. So we will verify these results whether there is an extraneous solution or not. So here we have x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 25 divided by 4. These all 3 solutions. Now we will verify it. So here for x is equal to 1. And our given equation is this. So if we substitute here 1, so square root of 1 will be 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So cube root of 0 will be 0 plus, when we will substitute the value of x is equal to 1, so it will become square root of 1 is 1. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So it will become cube root of minus 3. And it is equal to, it will be square root of 1 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 1. Minus 5 is minus 3 and its cube root. So 0 plus cube root of minus 3 is equal to cube root of minus 3. It's mean both sides are same. So the value of x is equal to 1. Satisfy this given equation. Now we'll check for x is equal to 16. So when we will substitute here 16, so square root of 16 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So it will become cube root of 3. And here 16, square root of 16 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So it will become plus 0, which is equal to square root of 16 will become 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So it will become cube root of 3. It's mean again both sides are equal. So the value of x also satisfies this given equation. Now we have third solution, which is x is equal to 25 divided by 4. So x is equal to 25 divided by 4. So now we will substitute here 25 divided by 4. So square root of 25 divided by 4 will be equal to square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 4 is 2. So it will become 5 divided by 2 minus 1 and its cube root, and it will become again square root of 25 divided by 4 is 5 divided by 2 minus 4 and its whole cube root. and here it will become 2 times 5 divided by 2 minus 5 and its cube root. Now we will solve it and check that our both sides will be equal or not. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So multiply by 1, multiply by 2. So it will become 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 2, 1 and 2. So it will become 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is same as minus 3 cube root. And it will be equal to 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So cube root of 5 minus 5 is 0. So here we have cube root of 3 divided by 2. We'll take this negative sign out of the cube root. So it will become minus cube root of 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. So it will be cancelled out. So 0 will be equal to 0. Both sides are equal again. It's mean all these three solution, which is x is equal to 1, 16 and 25 divided by 4 satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.